you knew it was going to come to this. 60 markets now officially have declining sales prices year over year. 60. Guys, this is a buyer's market. I mean, why don't all you loan officers and all you realtors right now do yourself a favor and call your past clients who actually have equity in their homes and test the temperature of buying an investment property. Here's a graph of owning versus renting. And as you all know, over a long enough period of time, owning always wins out. Here's the deal. Because it's a rental, you don't have to have a client who is emotionally attached to that house. All you have to do is go out there and find them the best deal. I mean, it's just an investment. No emotional attachment. Here's another one I got from Dave Savage. Now, we all save up for our kids' college tuition. Well, how about if we saved up and actually bought the kid a house? I mean, run that past your clients. It's a home that will pencil money for your kid when they get old enough to appreciate it, and they could actually move into it if they wanted to make it their primary residence. As for that college tuition, well, in 10-15 years from now, their rents are going to offset what those college tuitions would be. In other words, you get two birds with one stone. I think this one is a great idea to run by your clients. And honestly, 50% of the kids who go to college don't graduate anyways, and 50% don't go at all. A house is always a better bet. And listen, before you get all bent out of shape about the current status of our industry, I want you to consider this. The real estate industry offers flexible schedules, high earning potential, and opportunity for property investment. Successful real estate agents and brokers can earn significant incomes, and top performers can reach millionaire status through high-value deals. This is according to Ladder.com, and they've got the real estate industry is the 5th best way in the country for you to get $1 million. I mean, you got the right profession, but just maybe not the right approach. So go to your database and manufacture buyers, because you have clients right now that would buy a house from you if they only knew they could. I mean, hit your MLS, go find a couple fixer-uppers, entry-level homes, and then take them to your clients and see what they have to say. Trust me, your pocketbook will appreciate you for this. So we have to admit the trade war is having an effect on our industry. Like it or not, perceived or otherwise, it's having an effect. So what are the chances that this deal gets done before April so we could all have a healthy and fun spring real estate season? Well, according to Macro Edge, it's about 45% with China.
Are you serious?
A 45% chance that we're going to get this thing done in the next week. Now, that seems a little bit optimistic to me, but what do you think about it, and how is it affecting your business? Let me know in the comments down below. And finally, top U.S. mortgage lender United Wholesale Mortgage on Wednesday became the target of a lawsuit from the Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost. Now, he claims that United Wholesale Mortgage conspired with mortgage brokers to rip off Ohio homeowners. The case seeks to hold UWM accountable for orchestrating and executing a deliberate scheme to deceive thousands of Ohio homebuyers to pay millions of dollars in improper fees and excessive interest rates on their mortgages. This fraudulent scheme and the illicit enterprise that UWM has assembled to perpetrate it undermines the fundamental structure and purpose of the wholesale mortgage market in Ohio. Okay, well, a lot of you guys know that, well, maybe not the biggest fan of some of the tactics that UWM does right now. But this, I mean, you gotta be kidding me, right? It is the broker who decides where that loan is going to go. If United Wholesale Mortgage is offering what is believed to be a better product that involves more than just rate, then brokers have obligations to go over to them. Now listen, when you work for a regional bank, you have your correspondent lines where you're going to be funding off of. How is that any different than what United Wholesale Mortgage has done? Listen, if they built a better mousetrap, and that's how some people feel, I don't think this lawsuit, this one in particular, should have legs. But when there's an opportunity to grandstand with a company that has the biggest bullseye on it, you just know this is inevitable in our business. I hope this helps.